Moment of
hold
silence
on. Yeah,
for
let
the
me
dead
mute my
niggas.
shit.
Moment of silence for the dead niggas.
Waiting in the
Too many
air.
dead niggas.
Bro, if you know where I'm at, slide,
Alright,
nigga.
stop dissing dead.
Okay, I'm
Ain't none
sorry.
of our deads
Daddy.
coming back.
Oh, yo,
Yeah.
Murda, how far are you?
Yo,
Yo, you know what's crazy? You know where I'm at right now? I'm dead uptown, which is
What V
hilarious.
you in? What V you in?
I'm in a
Flip your camera.
Romobile.
What V you in?
Flip your camera.
I'm in a Romobile.
why you sound like that?
What V
Niggas
you
I'm
in
at
though?
Spanish.
It's Spanish.
I just told you I'm in a Romobile.
Oh.
Alright,
But where at though?
flip
Where at?
your camera.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm uptown. Oh, nah, these niggas is not letting me through. Heard you.
Hey, yo, brother.
Niggas don't know about
V.
murder
Yeah.
versus the V.
Yo, bro,
Listen,
how the fuck y'all get
yo,
me
where am
down,
I?
bro? What the
Why
fuck wrong with
be
y'all?
you and niggas
I still
sound
got
mad
you, murder.
What the fuck y'all
Spanish?
get me down for?
Niggas said why be you and
And ZK, you talking about play ball, nigga, bro. What you
Well,
ever
who
do to a
talking
nigga,
to?
bro? Let me wait. Fuck, nigga, you not outside for real,
Not
bro. Like,
You
you's
talking
a
to
jet,
me,
nigga,
shorty?
fuck. Nah, I'm
not
talking
you.
to somebody else in time, bro. I'm not paying you. No
Nah, this
mind.
nigga flash y'all.
Niggas said why be
Nah, he
you.
that sounded mad Spanish when he said that shit. What about my brother? Suck my dick.
Yo, that shit was
Oh,
funny.
like, tell me, can we play ball, bitch?
Nigga gay.
Yo, Icy
Who
Blue.
said she was the
Who said we was DOA? I've been said this.
Nah. Tiny.
Bro, like, are
Nigga
you
said murder
dumb,
be in
stupid,
day
or
room. How
retarded?
am I
What
in
am I
day room
dead?
for
Like, you just
trolling?
fucking mad DOA dick. Like, first of all, ZT, you be like, feel me? Don't let me start posting screenshots of what your mans was saying. Dick sucker, like, don't get me started.
Oh,
Where am
no.
I dead, nigga? Fuck. Your mans, all your mans call you a dick sucker, bro. They was writing us talking about something, bro. I don't know why he dissing y'all dead. He not even on that for real. Like, bro, TP, bro.
Yo.
TP, bro, because I'm going to give you the clout that you looking for. Where am I dead? Nigga, stop playing with me.
Wow. Nah.
Like, fuck wrong with that nigga, bro.
What murder be doing tonight?
And all my ops is broke. Let's really talk about it, bro. All of y'all niggas is popped. Where am I dead?
I'm smacked.
Yo, Tiny, I'm bored. I'm about to come to your house.
I'm about to go smoke they dead niggas because they get me mad.
Nah. I'm smacked.
And now
What?
I'm about to really be tight because now I'm really 150K.
Oh, wow.
All y'all niggas suck my dick, nigga, and I'm really on
Nigga
that.
said,
Where am I
Tiny,
dead,
don't
nigga?
let me call Richie.
Fuck.
Who the fuck is Richie?
What they said?
Nigga said, Tiny,
Who the
don't
fuck
make
is-
me call Richie.